Mysore had grown in strength under the leadership of powerful rulers like Hyder Ali. From this picture you can see ruled from 1761 to 1782, and his famous son Tippu Sultan, he ruled from 1782 to 1799. Mysore, that was controlled profitable trade of the Malabar coast, where the company purchased pepper and cardamom. Tippu, so you can see in this picture, Tippu, he has been called as the tiger of Mysore. His father name Hyder Ali, you have seen in this picture Hyder Ali, and his mother name was Fatima. He ruled from 29 December 1782 to 4th May 1799, and his coronation that he had conducted in the year 1782 29th December, and he had many titles. Among this, the famous title that was Padshah. He was born on 20th November 1750. His birthplace that was in Devanahalli, that was in Bangalore, Karnataka. He died 4th May 1799 and aged 48. His death place that was Srirangapattanam, that was in Karnataka. You can see in this picture there are a lot of stories about Tippu Sultan. Kings are often surrounded by legend and their powers glorified through folklore. And here is a legend about Tippu Sultan, who became the ruler of Mysore in 1782. It is said that once he went hunting in the forest with a French friend. There he came face to face with a tiger. You can see here in this picture, face to face with a tiger. His gun did not work and his dagger fell into the ground. He battled with the tiger unarmed until he managed to reach down and pick up the dagger. Finally, he was able to kill the tiger in the battle. After this, he came to be known as the Tiger of Mysore. That is why he got the name Tiger of Mysore. He had the image of the tiger on his flag. You can see in this flag, this was the flag of this flag of Mysore Sultans. And he died in this he died in 4th May 1799. That is, this is the you can see this is the tomb of Tippu Sultan and Hyder Ali. And he used a sword. You can see in this sword, this is the sword of Tippu Sultan. This you can see, this is the sword of Tippu Sultan. And there will be another thing. You can see there is Tippu's toy tiger. You can see here Tippu's toy tiger. This is the picture of a big mechanical toy that Tippu possessed. You can see the tiger mounting a European soldier. When its handle was turned, the toy tiger roared and the soldier shrieked. This toy tiger is now kept in the Victoria and Albert Museum in London. The British that they took it away when Tippu Sultan died, defending his capital Srirangapattanam on 4th May 1799. And in that sword, the handle, you can see the picture of a tiger. Picture of this tiger, you can see this handle. This is the handle of that picture. I hope that you understand it very well about Tippu Sultan. We will, in the next class, we will discuss more.